Between 5 million to 10 million years ago, the Nazca crustal plate was on the move, creating a hotspot in the mantle of the Earth. This interaction of plate tectonics and hotspot volcanism created the Archipelago de Colón, more commonly known as the Galapagos Islands. The isolated terrain of the islands harbors a diversity of rock formations and plant species that are unique to the geography and climate west of the coast of Ecuador. Situated 1,000 miles from the coast, this place today is a paradise for 450 different species of incredible animals. This is a place where species not seen anywhere else on Earth live and thrive, including some of the world's rarest birds, the world's only marine iguana, one of the world's highest abundances of sharks, and some of the world's deepest diving sea turtles. One of the most protected pieces of land on Earth, this place acts as a sanctuary for these species, many of which have populations only in the thousands and dwindling. It's a place they can live their lives freely without even the thought of human presence to disturb them. These factors make the archipelago the only of its kind, a true marvel of nature, the likes of which we may never again have the privilege of witnessing. The Galapagos is home to countless species of marine and terrestrial animals, many of which are endemic to the Galapagos itself. This means that much of the wildlife in the Galapagos can only be found there. They don't exist anywhere else in the world. 80% of the birds, 97% of the mammals and reptiles, 30% of the plants, and 20% of all marine species in the Galapagos are exclusive to it. Some of this wildlife includes the only penguin species in the world found north of the equator, the Galapagos penguin. They are extremely endangered, however, with a population of under 2,000 due to introduced species feasting on their prey and outside diseases spreading and wiping out the penguins, whose immune systems aren't accustomed to the foreign bacteria. The Galapagos is also home to the world's only marine iguana. They may look fierce, but they're actually herbivores that feed off of mostly algae. They use their sharp teeth and snout to scrape it off of rocks. However, their population is scarce as well due to invasive predators such as rats and feral cats and dogs, to the point where they are considered vulnerable to extinction. And let's not forget the, while not commonly endemic, still very blue-footed booby. These birds have streamlined bodies that allow them to dive into the water from heights of up to 80 feet to catch their prey, sometimes working in coordinated groups to increase their chances of getting food. When it comes to breeding, male birds show off their feet to female birds. Whoever has the bluest feet scores the mate. However, their population has been declining as of late, going down from 20,000 around 5 decades ago to about 6,400 today. This can be connected to the drop in sardines around the Galapagos, which is their main food source and can strongly affect their breeding cycle. It's amazing to see just how many unique and wonderful species reside in the Galapagos, but with populations constantly bordering endangerment due to fishing and invasive predators, there has never been a time to be more cautious and protective of these animals.